lovelies. Today we're gonna make a giant jiggly slime. Jiggly slime is so nice. We all love it. So let's try to make some jiggly slime. We're going to start adding clear glue first. Because today we're making a big slime, I'm going to pour in 5 bottles of 0.56 liters each. I am going to pour all the 5 bottles in one by one. Next, we need some water, so I'm pouring a whole bottle of 1.5 liters of water over the clear glue. We need to make it blend together, so I'm going to mix it good. Now for some fun, let's add color. I'm choosing red. Let me know in the comment section what color you like your jiggly slime to be. Mix it good together until the color blends in. Activator comes next. I made my activator with 2 cups of water and 1 teaspoon of borax. Now let's add some more activator. Oops! Mixing it real good, it's better to start mixing it with hands now the slime is nearly ready. Adding more activator, the last one, and blending it together. Now, let's give it some time to cool for a while. And here's your giant jiggly slime! I hope you can make jiggly slime as well, and I hope you enjoyed my video while it helped you. If you liked it, please don't forget to hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.